Targeting on LinkedIn is better organized and more intuitive than ever. Its new design highlights LinkedIn's powerful targeting capabilities while making it easier to discover new audiences. What are the best practices of effective LinkedIn ad targeting? First, define where you would like to reach LinkedIn members. Location is the only mandatory targeting field. Get specific with a city or metropolitan area, or go broad with a state or country. Next, it's time to choose your audience from a wide range of targeting facets. Now, this section has an easier, more intuitive setup with advanced targeting features can now be found under Audience Attributes. And targeting facets are organized in groups with a drill-down feature. Here are the criteria you can choose from. Company, which includes company category, company connections, company followers, company growth rate, company industry, company name, and company size. Demographics, which include age and gender. Education, which includes degrees, fields of study, and member schools. Job experience, which includes job function, job seniority, job title, member skills, and years of experience. Interest and traits, which includes groups, member interests, and member traits. If you want to exclude criteria from your campaign, you can locate the Exclude section below Inclusions. For advanced users who know exactly what they're looking for, use the new search functionality. You can now use Global Search to browse across all categories targeting criteria. As always, avoid hyper-targeting, as limited scale will hurt your campaigns. We recommend not adding more than 2 or 3 targeting facets. A good rule of thumb when starting out is to keep the target audience over 50,000 for sponsored content and text ads, and over 15,000 for message ads. Campaign Manager will show estimated reach and a suggested range while you're building your audience. You can also increase your reach with custom targeting options. Use to match audiences to customize LinkedIn targeting with your own business data. This set of targeting options helps you re-engage website visitors with website retargeting, nurture prospects with contact targeting, and run account-based marketing, ABM campaigns with company targeting. You also have the option to enable audience expansion or build a lookalike audience. When using either option, LinkedIn's algorithms will identify additional audience members similar to your target audience.